Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen California Ocean. This vehicle comes with a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 204 PS. The vehicle also comes with a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox along with a 4MOTION 4-wheel drive technology. Across the front of the vehicle, it features LED headlamps with LED daytime driving lights. The lower portion of the front bumper features a high gloss black insert where we will also find a set of front parking sensors along with a set of front fog lamps with a cornering function. Down below, the California sits on 18-inch Palmerston alloy wheels which come in a silver and black colour. As being the Ocean, it features an electro-hydraulic operated pop-up roof. The vehicle also comes with a roll-out awning finished in a black colour. Towards the rear of the vehicle, we'll find a rear view camera located just above the rear number plate, as well as a set of rear parking sensors. The vehicle also features a removable as well as a lockable towbar. Taking a look behind the tailgate and into the boot space of the California, there's plenty of space for luggage below and above the multi-flex board. Joining me in the back of the California, we'll find a 2-seater passenger bench. The seats are finished in the circuit fabric upholstery, and the seat also features some under-seat storage. In the back of the California, you might find everything you need for food preparation. In the camper, we have a fridge/cool box, a twin hob burner, and right over on the end, we also have a sink with a foldable tap. The rear passenger bench can be folded down, providing a 2-berth sleeping area. There's also a set of blinds all the way around the vehicle. Up front in the driver's cab, we have 2 singular swivel seats, both with 2 armrests each, providing plenty of leg space. In the forms of entertainment, in the centre of the dash we'll find an 8-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system features the Discover Media Navigation Pro, as well as allowing users to access all their favourite radio stations. Just beneath this we have the climate controls for the vehicle, as California comes with 2 front heated seats, as well as climatic air conditioning. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel, as well as a digital cockpit system.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.